Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video we are going to discuss about an interesting tool which is used to generate prompts. So it is used to generate prompts for ChatGPT, Dallee, Midjourney, Llama. So all the databases, AI databases available. So it is used to generate prompt. So one important thing in this particular prompt generator tool is that so it shows the result of the particular prompt. So you can check what is the type of result you need and then you can select your prompts. So some prompts is for free and some prompts is for pricing. So let us go on and explore that prompt generator tool and we will discuss which one will be best for our research paper writing. So let us go on to today's video. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on AI powered research paper crafting, the ChatGPT and AI revolution. The main objective of this research workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools which will be useful for research paper writing, and also we are going to explore different types of ChatGPT prompts. So in that prompts we are going to explore especially research prompts and how to make ChatGPT as our research article writer. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. As EV become popular nowadays, so here is a live MATLAB workshop on EV charging station with PV and wind energy sources. So in this workshop we are going to model PV and wind energy sources and we are going to explore PV and wind energy sources with different MPPT algorithms in order to extract maximum power from the renewable energy sources. The maximum power extracted can be given to EV charging station. So these are all the things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop and design a beautiful EV charging station in MATLAB. So the link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. If you want to learn basics of MATLAB from scratch, so here is an opportunity. So this is the workshop, comprehensive MATLAB workshop from basics to advanced application. So in this workshop we are going to explore the MATLAB environment, basic syntax in MATLAB, 2D and 3D plotting in MATLAB, and also we are going to discuss about different toolbox available in the Simulink. So like that neural network, fuzzy logic and ANFIS toolbox. And the important thing is that we are going to tune a PID controller, so live tuning of PID controller and step-by-step procedure how to tune PID controller in MATLAB. So these are the important perks we are going to discuss in this workshop. So if you want to know more about MATLAB basics and if you want to explore about MATLAB, so here is a best opportunity. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. Don't forget to register our online workshop and to learn basics of MATLAB. Moving on to our today's video. So the tool what we are going to discuss today is that Promptsideas. So here you can see, so this is the Promptsideas. So best AI prompts and best AI Promptsideas. So you can just click on this Promptsideas. So it will ask you to log in with your mail ID. So here I have already logged in. So this is my profile here. So create, explore and sell prompts. So here you can see starting from Dallee, Midjourney, ChatGPT, Stable Diffusion, Google Bard, Leonardo, Claude AI. So these are all the categories, AI categories available. So in this you can click any of this AI databases and you can you can explore the prompts associated with the particular databases. For example, here you can see I am going to click randomly ChatGPT. So here you can see, so this is the ChatGPT prompts list. So in this you will be having different prompts associated with this particular that is ChatGPT. So starting from your here celebrity impersonator, YouTube short script writer. So like that these are the prompts available. Here you can see pro personal research assistant, next advanced market analyst, next price analyst. So like that these are the things available. So here you can see research literature review crafter pro. So this is research literature review crafter pro. So I am going to click this one. So this is the prompt, that is research literature review crafter pro prompt. So here how the result will be is that, so this is the result, literature review on climate change and its impact on biodiversity. If you give an input like this, So the output will be like this. So here you can see climate change has garnered substantial attention in the realm of environmental science, and then you can see the that is subtopics, foundational works and seminal studies, and then methodologies, approach and paradigms, thematic organization, credibility and reliability of sources, emerging trends and future research, conclusion and recommendation. So this is how the content will be generated. So if you use this kind of prompt, so here this is a research literature review crafter pro. So you can check this one. So this is in the right side, it will give the content will be generated after using this prompt. So you can make use of this prompt. So next one is that, so verbal reasoning pro GPT prompt. Next, universal research analysis GPT prompt. Next, research results generator pro prompt. Next, expert and pro research methodology. Research abstract writer pro GPT prompt. So for example, I am going to explore this one. So here you can see, let's create an abstract for the research on. So you can give an example, instead of climatic change you can give your title. So climate change mitigation strategies in urban environments. Here comes the abstract. This is how the content will be generated. So abstract, this research delves into the pressing issue of climatic change and its specific implication within urban environments. So like that, it will generate the content like this. So if you wish this content, you can go on and explore this prompt, research abstract writer pro GPT prompt. So next one is that, summarizer. So you can summarize your books. So here you can give the prompt to summarize the brief content into a smaller pieces. So like that, it will generate. Here you can see book generator, Python helper. So next, task and projects productivity booster GPT, expert and pro exploratory data analyst GPT, professional and analytical research GPT. So next, professional and statistical data analysis GPT. So here you can see all the prompts are especially associated with the research. So you can see for research alone there are more than 10 prompts. So you can go on and explore one by one. So thereby you will be getting an idea about which one will be best suited for your research paper writing. So in this you can see an option called free. So here you can see an option called free. So click on free. So these are some of the free prompts which is not charged, it is for free. So you can use this prompts. So you can copy and paste and use these prompts. So here you can see custom program generator, digital marketing, smart goal generator, web design consultant. So summarize article with format system for blog. So next, auto summarize and text takeaways. For example, if I am going to click, for example, here is the result of using a prompt for a New York article. So you can give an article title. So it will generate a output like this. So you can use this prompt for free. So like that, there are many free prompts are available. So in this you can click free option. Here you can see extreme text summarizer, extract facts and summarize. These are the prompts which will be useful for us to reduce plagiarism in our research paper. And then you can see Amazon copywriting, Amazon bullet points. This is related social media. Next one, auto summarize and text takeaways. This is what we have discussed. Next, rewrite article. So this is very important. So rewrite article, it is also for free. You can use this prompt. So here you can see this is rewrite article. I am going to click. So this is how your input will be. So after that you can get a output like this. That is rewritten content will be generated. So you can get this rewritten prompt, that is rewrite prompt for free. So apart from this you will be having article to YouTube scripts. So like that, there are many free prompts are available. Code generator. Next one, create professional advertising campaign. So these are some of the free prompts. So click on load more and you will get even more prompts. So you can go on and explore this ChatGPT prompts and make a better content. So after that I am going to click on move on to another option called Cloud AI. So still prompts not be added in Cloud AI. So next I am going to click in Dallee. So here some of the prompts will be added. This is especially related with images. So Midjourney also same. It is especially related with the images. So Midjourney and Dallee. Next we will explore Google Bard. So in this Google Bard, here you can see some of the prompts are added. Language detector, motivational speaker, movie critic, advertiser. So like that, some of the free all the prompts are for free. So in this also you will be having different categories. Here you can see these are the different categories available. So in this categories you can select anything you want. If you want to summarize, you can click on summarize. If you want to write articles, you can click write articles, and then for copywriting you can click on copywriting. So like that you can categorize it is section wise also. As far as our research paper writing is concerned, so you can go for this ChatGPT, as you most probably you will be using ChatGPT for research paper writing. So in this ChatGPT prompts you will be having different prompts especially related with research paper writing. So as we have discussed already, so some are for free, some are for pricing option. So here you can see this is the different that is AI databases available, and the prompts are available. So go on and explore this prompt sites. So if it match or intersect with the concept, that is your output you have expected from the content you want to generate, so you can make use of this prompt ideas to get a better prompts for your output, and you can use this for your research paper writing. So as far as plans and pricing is concerned, so here you can see, so every prompts has its own rate and prices. So here it will be mentioned in US dollars. So you can explore, for example, if I need some prompts like that is crossword puzzle prompt, so it is for $5.99. So like that every prompt has its own prices. So if you want, you can go on and that is take that particular prompt alone also. So after that, if you want to sell prompts, so if you are wise in prompt generating, so you can sell prompts also. So in this you can click sell. So select the type of AI you want to create and sell. So here you can see Midjourney, ChatGPT, Dallee, Stable Diffusion, Gbard, Leonardo, Claude AI. So you can select any one of this and you can create your own prompt, and you can fix the price for that particular prompt also. So here these are the options where you can fix price. So you can also earn through this prompt ideas also. So apart from this, you will be having another option called AI tools. So click on the AI tools. Some of the free AI tools also be associated with the particular prompt ideas: sticker generator, tattoo generator, Shakespeare sonnet generator, next advertising banner maker, comments generator, next blog post writer, article generator. So these are all you can use it for free. Some are for free, some are something there is some AI tools has to go for subscription option. Here you can see the pricing option here, $0.10. So like that, if you want to generate a content, so you try out for free. If it not works out well, so you can go on and explore different types of prompts associated with the particular AI databases. Then you will get a better idea about which prompt will be best for your research paper writing. So this is all about this prompt ideas. So go on and explore this prompt ideas. So if it works, if the prompt you have checked it out, it works out well for you, so you can go on and go for a subscription option for the particular prompt alone. So no need for subscription option for all the prompts. So every prompt has its own price. So if you want a particular prompt, you can buy that particular prompt alone also. So make use of this option to make your research paper writing simple. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. Thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.